So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher DW80R5060US OC error code, over level, overflow and drain fix. So fix 1 is hard reset the dishwasher. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker or unplug the dishwasher. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes, restore power to the dishwasher. Check if the error has cleared. Second fix is check and clear the filter. Remove the bottom dish rack, twist the circular filter assembly counterclockwise to unlock and pull it out. Detach the fine mesh filter from the coarse outer filter. Wash both parts roughly under arm running water to remove trapped food particle. Third fix is clear the drain hose and sink connection. Locate the drain hose connection under the sink. Disconnect the drain hose for inspection. Check for blockage, bends or kinks in the hose. If connected to a garbage disposal, ensure the knockout plug is completely removed from the disposal inlet. Fourth fix is inspect the drain pump and check well. Scoop out any standing water from the bottom of the tub. Remove the filter housing located beneath the circular filter. Locate the drain pump impeller typically found at the bottom left or right of the sump. Inspect the impeller for any obstructions such as broken glass, toothpicks or debris that may hinder its movement. So thanks for watching.